interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted from the Global Weather Survey. This is not a test. The Global Geological Weather Survey has detected Hurricane bualoi in the Pacific Ocean and it's moving to hit East Japan. All citizens in East Japan can evacuate this area or seek a fallout shelter and interior room in lowest floor in sturdy building. Seal up all cracks and doors and windows with hardwood or duct tape as this prevents dust debris from entering your shelter. Survival kit is needed for shelter in place. This includes water, non-perishable food, flashlight with spare batteries, battery-powered radio with extra spare batteries. This is the International TV Channel 850. We will continue to serve this international country area. If you're not in this area, tune to a station that is providing news and updates in your local country area. You are listening the emergency alert message serving the international country Japan area. This is TV Channel 850. We will be serving the international country Japan area. Do not use the telephone. Telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.